How to fix WhatsApp notification problem. Hello everyone, in this video I will share with you the correct way how to fix this on your WhatsApp. So just watch this video till the end. So let's start. First you have to go and open the settings of your device. Then actually you have to open here apps and here search only for WhatsApp. Then when you found WhatsApp like this, just open it. Scroll up the screen and click and open storage. Here go to the last button, click on clear data and click OK. Then you have to go back and click on force stop and click OK. Then you will go to the first option, notification. Then for example, if it's not allowed, you have to allow it or to allow this option of notification by clicking show notification like this, and then you have to back and open WhatsApp and you will see that your problem is fixed. So I hope this video is helpful for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe in our channel. See you in another video.